Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, June 3rd, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I can't say we had a bad day today, but it was a little bit disappointing after the, almost euphoric trading that we had yesterday. Um, we had closed out $85,000 yesterday, and then we got into um, what was it, 23 positions yesterday, and had like $103,000 in open trade equity. A great day would be we open up like 150, 160,000. We've done that before, but that wasn't the case today. You're looking at the Dow here. The Dow opened down hard, made this, I call this a bull spike, beginning of the day, big down movement, and then it recovers totally from that. Uh, the Dow ended up closing basically neutral, but officially down 23 points. This big spike at the beginning of the day, I think, hurt us with those 23 uh, positions and $103,000 in equity. Anyway, we ended up closing out not 103,000, not 160,000. We closed out positive $62,000. Still not a bad day, but it was a big pullback and a little bit disappointing. We got into it, and then after that, it was like the markets had been destroyed and we weren't going to get anything, and we didn't get anything. We got into 5 positions, one positive, four negative, and we're holding negative $12,000 going into tomorrow. Well, hey, listen, you close out 62,000 positive, you're carrying negative 12,000. Yeah, you just shrug it off. That's going to happen. But again, not quite the perfect day that I had hoped for. Let me show you. I'm going to show you 4 stocks today to kind of give you a flavor of what was going on. Again, when we close out 62,000, even if that's on pullbacks, that's a good day, and we had a lot of good trades today. This first one I'm showing you is RIDE, RIDE. That's Lordstown Motors Corporation. And we had bought this yesterday, second or third hour on a pop, and it kept going, closed nicely profitable on the close yesterday, and then followed through this morning with a big pop up, a little pullback there. But regardless, we got out of RIDE with $9,200. That's a good trade. Then I'll show you, I would rate this as a perfect trade in terms of way you want the system to work. This is LAZR, Luminar Technologies, and we bought this right out of the gate yesterday. It kept moving, closed very nicely, and interesting here, this thing gaps down with the Dow this morning, but then it immediately recovers, gives us a nice pop up, and we end up getting out of this almost at the top of the market here. As I say, almost perfect trade, and we took $8,000 out of Luminar Technologies. Now I'm going to show you 2 other quite profitable trades, but they weren't quite perfect. Let's put it that way. This is AMC. That's AMC Entertainment. Made gobs of money with this. We just made gobs of money, and this is in like the first 4 days of June. Anyway, it gapped up yesterday. We bought it. It kept moving. Up here at top, we're up over $30,000 in profit in AMC Entertainment. It does pull back some, but not too bad on the close yesterday. But then it comes down hard again with that big move down in the Dow. It way down here. Fortunately, it also popped up some for us, not where all the way up where we would have liked it, but it did pop up there, and we got $20,600 out of AMC Entertainment. Now, obviously, a $20,000 trade, that's a good trade. I just wish in a perfect world we could have gotten out above 30,000, but it didn't happen. Okay, and then finally, I'll show you another one that was probably the most negatively affected, although this is our best trade that was most negatively affected, let's call it that. On Tuesday, popped up here, we grabbed it, it closed profitably, then a huge move. I'm sorry, this is UONE, which is Urban One Incorporated. Okay, and then after yesterday, huge move up, and again, just like AMC Entertainment, Urban One was up over $30,000 in profit up here. Really looked fantastic. It pulled back a little more on yesterday's close, and then it moves down even lower and gets us out right here. So instead of making $30,000 in Urban One, we get out with $15,000 right here. Again, 15,000, good trade. But look at this thing. This thing, after it gets us out, it moves higher and higher, higher, and actually takes out these highs over here, which were where we were well over $30,000. So this happens, but it's not the pattern we like to see when we're trading our system. So all I can say is we had a good day, but it wasn't perfect. Okay, it was far from perfect, but we still keep in mind we closed out $85,000 yesterday. We closed out $62,000 today, and we got 5 crappy trades to deal with going into tomorrow. That's trading. That's the way it goes. Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.